Virgos, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to see the energy check in the middle of the month of May 2021. So let's see what is going on with you in the middle of the month 2021 May. Let's see what's there for my Virgos, what's going on with my Virgos in the middle of the month, please. Okay, so I'm going to see your past, present and future energies. Okay, and this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you, so take what resonates and leave the rest. And if it does resonate with you, do like my video please, okay, and share it with other people as well. Okay, so let's get started with my reading now. Virgos. Strong Pisces energies and Pisces Cancer energies coming up for you. Yeah. Aquarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Sagittarius energy, yeah, Taurus as well. Okay, so at the back of the deck we have Six of Pentacles, strong Earth energies, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energies here. So this is a very slow energy with Six of Pentacles. You might be feeling your overall energy is might be, you know, you are generous nowadays, might be you are donating a lot of money to some NGOs or somebody who is actually in need. This is very generous energy which is coming up for you, Virgos. This is actually your energy, strong your energy, as you are already very generous and very kind at heart people. So you are giving money as well as you are giving time, you are giving advice to people, and this advice is actually worthy enough for other people. So this is your overall energy around this time. In the past you are your energies are Five of Cups, the King of Pentacles and the Hanged Man. Although whatever is happening with you, around you in your life, things are not ending, you know, bad things, they are not coming to an end. It's always like you are at loss. You always feel that out of everyone you are the one who is losing. You always feel that, you know, things are really slow around you. Although you are such a great person by yourself that you might even help other people by your kind words, although your words not be kind enough, but still people, they are like, you know, once an advice is given by you, it's like it's really good for other people. But to you, your life was just, you know, full of losses, full of sorrow, okay, deep sorrows, and just hanging up, where am I going, there's no ending towards this situation. You're always thinking like that, the past situation. Your present situation is Knight of Rods, Page of Cups and Two of Cups. So either you are waiting for some kind of a message to come towards you, some kind of proposal you are actually waiting for. This is a messenger who is coming towards you in the present, but you are waiting for this thing. I really feel that it's not happening. You are waiting for some kind of a proposal, for some kind of a message, some kind of an apology also you might be waiting, because whatever happened in the past, it seems to me that somebody around you, they might have not done really good to you. So you are waiting for an apology, but it does not come. You know, we just wait and wait, it doesn't come, but sometimes. Okay, well, maximum times. Okay, so in the coming future we have Queen of Cups, Six of Cups and the Star. So strong Cancer energies are here, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces and Aquarius energy as well. So in the coming future there is somebody trying who is actually coming towards you. I feel that your wishes, whatever you wish for is coming, your wishes are going to be fulfilled, and somebody is actually coming towards you with an apology, or with like, just let's talk once again, let's at least give each another one more chance. And you are in that state where, okay, you will be like a Queen of Cups. Okay, well, this is Cancer energy, but Virgos are also very generous. people. So yes, if you are giving love to other person, and if you're not getting back the same kind of love, you are like, no, I cannot, continuously I cannot just give. You start backing up from that situation. But you are seeing something new in your coming future. Whatever you are waiting for is coming towards you. But what will happen then? Will you accept that apology? Will you accept that communication with this person? It will only depend upon your mood at that time, Virgos. Let's clarify now. Let's see what's there coming up for my Virgos. So why this Six of Pentacles is here for my Virgos in the overall energy? Nine of Swords. See, I already told you, although you might be really good to people, you might be always giving good advices to people, being generous to people, but what are you going through? You are going through some depression, some losses, nights, anxiety issues as well. Your energy is that you are showing to people that I am really good, and you do not want to show it. It's your inner nature, but people do not know what you are feeling within. Okay, let's see the past energies. Why the Five of Cups, King of Pentacles, and the Hanged Man is there? Why are these three energies there? Queen of Wands. Yeah, this is a very strong energies when it comes to you. It's an energy which is very passionate. You were always this person who was always passionate, who always loves to do work, some household work as well, anything, she's a very passionate queen, although. Let's see what else do we have. Ace of Wands. Yes, being so passionate, you started something new in the past, but the situation was meant to end. In fact, it didn't even end. It was just hung up, and you were just waiting for things to resolve. You were just sitting over there. You were waiting for that situation, for that thing to come towards you. You are still waiting, I guess. Either you are waiting for an apology from someone, you are waiting for a communication from someone. From a long time, you might have not been in a strong communication with this person, and you are still waiting for that person to call you or message you or communicate with you. And that is why it's like your life is like nowhere to go at this time. Let's see your present energies. Eight of Wands. See, as I already told you, that communication you are waiting for. What is this? What is this? Five of Pentacles. You might have been deserted by someone. Might be left out in the cold by someone. And this person, I feel, with the Knight of Rods, I feel that this person can be somebody who is already involved with someone else, and they are showing that they are really good to you. They might be showing that they are your soulmate and stuff, but again and again, when you see that gap of communication between both of you, that gap, you start feeling that no, I'm not the one. I'm the one who is actually waiting for you, but you are not coming to me directly. You are making me wait. I am the one who is crying whole night. I'm the one who is going through anxiety issues, depression issues. But who are you to understand? You just come here, you just talk to me and says that everything is fine. No, it doesn't work like that. Okay, so let's see what are the future energies with Queen of Cups, Six of Cups, and the Star. The Lovers, Chariot, Strong. Okay, and Hanged Man again. See, Lovers, Chariot, and the Hanged Man. Cancer, Gemini, and Pisces energies. So again, this person comes. You both will talk. You will start feeling that wow, everything is fine again between us. I'm so happy with this person. But again, this hanging up is still going on. Till how much time are you still going to hang up with this person or with the situation? It looks to me that you are actually involved in a cycle which is repeating, and you are not letting yourself come out from that situation. You are in that situation and you are just going on like this. Well, so that is all from my side, my dear Virgos. I hope that helps, and we are going to meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.